On assignment 7-T-2, Chapter 7, Test 2, we're going to be working with more center and right tabs as well as adding pages. So we're going to open 7T1, which is a 2-page document, and we're going to rename it. Click on 7T1, document title, rename it T2, 7T2, click OK. Now I'm going to scroll down to the end of the second page, and I'm going to insert another page. Click on Insert, go to Page Break. That gives me page 3, the Great Rock Albums, and page 3, the numbering already in there. Okay, so what we're going to do is, first of all, type in the title, which is Late 80s Punk Rock Albums. I'm going to hit enter. And I'm going to go back up and select this, bold, and center. Now on this next line, I'm going to show you another method for setting tabs. I'm going to set a center tab at 3 inches. Click on the 3-inch mark, add the center tab stop. I'm going to add a right tab stop at 6 inches. Now sometimes it's a little difficult because you have the indent there and it gets a little confusing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the 5.5 inch. I'm going to add the right tab stop. I'm going to take that right triangle and I'm going to move it over to 6 inches. Now I have my tabs all set up. That will remain in place for the rest of this page until I tell it otherwise. So I'm going to put the band, type band, I'm going to hit album, hit tab, year released, and then hit enter. And I've got the tabs all set up. I'm going to put in this band name and their album. And by hitting tab, it lines it up perfectly as we have directed it. Now I'm going to go back, and the reason I didn't do this before is because it will then pick up the bold and I have to change that later. So I'm going to click on the column headings of this list and got my bolded headings. I hit enter and then I can continue and finish up that list. Now if you scroll to the bottom, you notice we have chapter 3, or page 3, sorry. And at the bottom, don't forget your name, the date, and 7T2, and have your instructor check your work.